Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today we are making spinach tortilla. Not just any spinach tortilla, this is a gluten-free one, it's a keto diet friendly one, and it's very low in carb. It's very easy to make. There are two key ingredients which are egg and spinach, and rest of the items are just for flavoring and seasoning. Let's get started. So I have some fresh spinach here. These are baby spinach, which I have just washed, and 65 grams of spinach. To that, I'm going to add a lot of eggs. Three eggs here. And for seasoning, I have quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we need a blender jug. This is a one bowl recipe, and by one bowl, I mean one jug, blender jug. So I'm putting spinach here. I already mentioned that I have washed them, so it goes on the blender. And to that, I'm adding egg. So I just cracked one egg and that disappeared. Now I'm gonna crack the second egg and it's gonna disappear too. Uh, a little bit of shell fell on my spinach, but I removed it. And now the third egg. To that, I'm adding all the seasoning. You can skip any of these. Well, you need a little bit of salt, but garlic powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, you can just play with your own taste. Now blender is on and it takes around 30 seconds or something like that. And everything is gonna mix in. You want to make sure that spinach is mixed completely and you don't have much of the leaves or grains. It's done. It's gonna be very liquidy, something like this, but don't worry, this will give us strong tortillas which won't break. Now comes the fun part. I have put my pan in the stove and I just greased it. I used some clarified butter, but you can go with your choice. You can put a little bit of oil, you can spray it. It's your choice. Now I have put 1/3 of the mixture in my pan. If you find that you have put a little less, you can just add in a little bit more. So the batter I have used that will give me 3 tortillas. You need to cover it and cook it for around 1.5 to 2 minutes on this side. And after 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, take the lid off. I like to use a spatula to turn it. Just make sure the sides have already come off and it's easy to turn. Use your fingers if you need to. Just gently flip it over. And now this side you need to cook for another 1 minute or something like that, and it doesn't need any covering this time. And within 3 minutes time, our spinach tortilla, which is a gluten-free and keto diet friendly one, is ready. There you go. So the amount of batter I have used today, that will give me 3 tortillas, and this is my first one. And I'll show you that it's not flimsy at all, it's not gonna break, and you can make wonderful wraps out of them. So here is my final product, and I'm going to sprinkle some halloumi cheese on that and some avocados. I didn't want to put green on green, but that's what I had at home, and avocados make a perfect match for this tortilla. So I'm gonna season it with some Nando's peri peri salt, and that's all. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care, bye. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye.